Hi friends, welcome to Linux Fork. My name is Chandan and today we are going to learn how we can install Apache on Ubuntu system. Okay, so currently I am using Ubuntu 20.04 LTS version for installation of Apache. Okay, and let's understand what is Apache. So Apache is the web server which help us to host our websites. Okay, so let's see how we can install it. So just open the terminal. Okay, so here is the things. Before installing any packages on the system, just try to check that package present inside the default repository. Okay, first of all, either it's any system, it's Ubuntu, Red Hat, CentOS. First check that package present or not. The commands is different but the concept is same. So let's check that package is present or not. Okay. So for this we are going to use command sudo apt cache search apache 2. Okay, just enter and put the password. Okay, so all apache related package this command listed. So we need to check apache web server, that apache web server is available or not. So here we can see apache 2 apache http. So okay, that is called web server. So this package is already available inside the system, so let's install it. So for installation we will fire the command sudo apt-get install apache 2. Okay, enter. It's going to install the apache 2 package inside the system. Okay, so let's see, it will some time. So as we can see, the package installation completed. Now check the service of apache 2, it's running or not. So for that there is one command sudo systemctl status apache 2. So as we can see, the service is running, it's showing active, right? Now here we can use multiple options, like here the status, for checking the status of apache 2. Okay, for starting the apache just put that start, for restart you just put restart, and for enabling the apache 2 service on boot you just put enable. So this is very basic command, okay, for managing the service of apache 2. Next step is the apache 2 is running, apache 2 listening on the by default port is 80. So let's check that let's check that port is listening or not. Net state hyphen toolpin. So as we can see, okay, the AT port is there. Okay, now how we can manage the firewall here? Next step, we need to allow the firewall uh, for accessing the Apache service, like any web content from outside. You need to allow the port 80 on the firewall. So as a firewall in Ubuntu system, they are using UFW. So how we can manage it? So for that, there is one command, UFW allow, okay, allow port, okay, okay. So as we can see, the command is sudo UFW allow, then port number, then slash TCP. Okay, whatever the protocol, either it's UDP, TCP, according to that you can allow the port. Okay, these are the things. Next, I have allowed this, so I can access from outside also. Okay, next, the installation and other things done. Next step is verification, either it's working properly or not. So for the verification, we can check locally also. For that, we can use curl command, curl, and then local host. Just check. So currently curl is not available, so we need to install. Okay, so sudo apt get install, curl, so curl installation is done. So basically curl command will help you to check the service, check the Apache, okay, web contents is working or not. Okay, so just fire that curl localhost. So as we can see, the default page is loading, right? If any error, it will show you here. Okay, and this is one of the method to check that. Second method is just open the browser and copy the IP of the server. Okay, so I have opened the browser now. Okay, before that, just fire command ifconfig to check the IP address of the system. Here is the IP address, just I'm copying this IP address and go to the browser and paste it and enter. So as we can see, Apache 2 default page is coming. That means our Apache is working fine. Okay, so that's all in this video. The Apache installation completed. We have checked service, we have checked the port, and also we have checked how we can check the Apache working or not. So these things we have completed in this video. So I hope it's informative and it's help you. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, for getting more video like this. Okay, thank you for watching.